Hey, welcome to my vlog. This is Salman Afridi and you're watching SA Vlogs. And guess where I am? And you must be surprised why I'm wearing this turban because I am in Saudi Arabia and I'm here for my Umrah with my family. And with me, I have my cousin.
Hello.
That is Moin. So me and Moin, it's around, what's the time, Moin?
Time 11:17.
So you can see it's around 11:17 in the night and we are going towards Masjid al-Haram. So we'll be walking around Masjid al-Haram. We'll be showing you how it is. So yeah, let's go. And the reason I'm wearing this turban is because I've gone bald and I need something to protect my head. So yeah, let's go. And for those of you who's wondering who this is in front of me, that's Seema, and she's a little camera conscious and she doesn't want to be in the camera, but Seema, you can say hi if you want to. Hi. Okay, so yep, we'll be heading towards Masjid al-Haram. Assalamualaikum. And I'm here at the hotel. This is Hotel Al Ulian Golden, and this is Mr. Fayaz. Assalamualaikum, Fayaz bhai. And this is Mr. Shoaib bhai. Assalamualaikum. And he's from Sultan International and he's from Fayaz Travels, and these are the people who are brought us over here, and it's been quite good so far. And Assalamualaikum. मैं जाको अब ज़ियारत कर लेगा तो YouTube. So we'll go. I'll show you around, and this is the hotel we are in. This is Hotel Al Ulian Golden, and yeah, this is on the Ibrahim Khalil Street. It's around 700-800 meters from Masjid al-Haram, and can you believe it? It is 11. Moin, कितना time बोले sir?
11:20 now.
Yeah, can you believe it? It's 11:20 and it looks like it's day over here. It's just the sunlight that's missing, but it's alive. It's all happening. So guys, we are now crossing the street. We are now crossing the street and we are headed towards Masjid al-Haram. And can you look up there? It's the clock tower. It's considered to be the world's third largest building. It looks beautiful up close. So the city is alive in the night. You can see everything's open. You can see gift shops. You can see hotels. You can see gold shops. Yeah, you can see a lot of things that are open right now. What do you say, Moin?
Yes.
You want to say something? You want to say something about the city? That's everything's open right now.
Beautiful pilgrimage, fully crowded, everything loaded with fun.
Everything loaded with fun.
Yes.
So this is my little brother. So it's the first time he's in a vlog. So it's not like I'm very experienced. He's also less experienced, just like me. Yeah, and I think he's in his college right now. He's still in college. I'm working, so yeah. So you can see here the buildings are quite tall and they're all jam-packed. The population is full, and you can see from here the clock tower. It looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. So I'm going with Moin and Seema to Al-Haram, and Seema is not much of a talker. He doesn't talk usually, but he doesn't mind being in the vlog. So what do you say, Seema? How has it been so far?
It's been a really experience.
That's good. Yeah, for those of you who don't know who Seema is my wife. For those who did not know, I was married. I am. Damn it. And that's the beautiful clock tower. And we are here walking. How? पर ग्रीन जा रहा है. लाइट क्या ज़बरदस्त दिख रहा नहीं. So probably we can, because we are all from Bangalore and we are Bangalore Urdu speaking people, we can also probably make this video in Urdu. Not necessarily it should be in English. We can also make this in Urdu. क्या करेक्ट नहीं है? उर्दू में बनेंगे कि इंग्लिश ही चंदा है. Mix Saga Taga. So Mix Saga Taga. Okay, that's how we are going to go ahead. We are going to mix a little bit of Urdu and English. क्या बोलते हैं? Correct नहीं?
Yes.
You can see a lot of gold shops over here, and the reason there are so many gold shops here is because the gold price here, it's quite low compared to how it's in India. Like for example, in India, the gold price for 22 karat gold right now is probably around 7,300 or 400 rupees. But here it's 305 real, and if I convert it to Indian rupee, it's just around 6,900 rupees, which is a good difference of 500 rupees. But they have almost no making charges, which is good. But the only drawback is, will come from this side. The only drawback is they have now introduced 15% VAT. So 15% VAT takes up a big portion of your invoice. So yeah. So but at the end of the day, the gold, if you purchase here, it still comes close to India, but you still end up saving probably 100 or 200 rupees on the overall purchase, which is not great, but it's still fine for those who want to purchase some jewelry as a memory from Mecca. And this is the so this clock tower, it's really huge and beautiful. This is like a highlight. So from the entire city of Mecca, you can spot this clock tower, so you know where exactly the Holy Kaaba is. You have the hotels that are open 24 hours. You have gift shops, you have accessory shops, you have souvenir shops, a lot of them that are open, and a lot of gold shops as well. And here, as you walk, this place is called as the Pigeon Square, or it's also called as क्या बोलते हैं उर्दू में?
Kabutar Chowk.
हाँ, so it's called as Kabutar Chowk. And यहाँ पे कबूतर चौक इसलिए बोलती क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे कबूतर हैं और लोग यहाँ पे दाना डालते हैं कबूतरों को. तो कबूतर यहाँ बैठते हैं, यहाँ दाना खाती हैं, उससे इसे कबूतर चौक भी बोलती हैं. एंड यहाँ पे
टाइम में ज़्यादा नहीं.
हाँ, रात के टाइम को कबूतर ज़्यादा नहीं. बट यहाँ एक और चीज़ क्या है कहते हैं इंटरेस्टिंग, यहाँ पर एक छोटा अनऑर्गेनाइज मार्केट जैसा लगता है, जहाँ पे लोग नमाज के बाद लोग यहाँ पे अबाया, जानी मास, तस्बीह ऐसी चीज़ों को बेचते हैं at really cheap prices. So these are people who are trying to sell and make a living. So I mean, of course you can purchase from the big shops, but if you want to show some consideration, you can also consider purchasing from these people, because it would also help them. So क्या बोले? And I don't know what this building name is. This is the clock tower. I don't know what this building name is. This tower over here is Omar Jabal, right?
हाँ जब्बार.
Omar Jabbar.
Hilton.
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 Okay, दोनों Hilton है.
ये भी हिल्टन है.
Hilton Towers.
Okay.
और सब नेम भी है नया वाला.
I think this is
the main
Omar
tower.
Omar Jabal
Ah.
Jameria. This is like a complex where people can go, and they also have like those people who have seen Al Baik, which is Saudi Arabia's famous franchise outlet for fast food. They have a big one in Omar Jabal building, and they have a smaller one over here in this road. And the road that we are coming in, you can see the road that we came here in. This is Ibrahim Khalil Street, and there's another road. So this road, which is to the left of the clock tower, okay, us facing to the left of clock tower is the Ibrahim Khalil Street, and the one on the right side is the Ajad Road, I think.
Ah.
Al Ajad Street. Please don't mind if I have got the street names wrong, because it's just been 3 days since I've been here, and Alhamdulillah we have yeah, but yeah, that's correct. But that makes me feel even bad, because I've been here this second time for Umrah and I still don't know the road. Thanks, Muin. And Alhamdulillah, we came here on Monday, and we finished our Umrah, and we again went on Ziyarat, and we कहाँ गए थे सो कौन से मस्जिद से एहराम बांधे सो जमेरिया अल जमेरिया नहीं जुराना मस्जिद से एहराम बंद को आए, एंड दूसरा उम्रा हमें करे, विच इज़ नाइस. एंड अभी क्या हो गया है, इफ़ somebody wants to go inside and see, and I had forgotten my phone in the room, and just Seema called my phone, and my dad picked it up, and it's safe and sound in the room. So you can see from here up close, you can see how beautiful this light goes into the sky. It looks beautiful, and I think it's around कितना है temperature, around 29-30 degree है नहीं, 30-31 degree है, which is so yeah, so what I was saying was
29 degrees.
it's 29 degree. So what I was saying was अभी थोड़े रूल चेंज हो गए सऊदी अरेबिया में, एंड जो लोग एहराम में ही only they can go inside and do the tawaf near the Kaaba Sharif, and those who are not in ihram, they cannot go in. I mean, they can enter the masjid, but अंदर नहीं जा सकते तवाफ एरिया के पास. So which is an inconvenience, but again it was needed because they had to do something to control the population, because so right now we are not in ihrams. I mean, for women they can go, as you can see there's a cat sleeping over here, and my wife, she's a cat lover. So yeah, so as I was saying, so जो लोग एहराम में ही उन लोग अंदर जा सकते हैं. So ये this is done to reduce the population, and yeah, this is the market I was talking about. So people here on the road, they are selling stuff. They're selling janimas, they're selling tasbih, they're selling a lot of different things like tobes, toys. They're also selling Quran. They're also selling a few small gifts, and everything's probably just 5 or 10 riyals, not more than that.
The place where Awwal Islam and Adam Islam met the pillar, the mountain where our prophet was कुछ कबूतर अंडा डालकर मकड़ी डाला देते हैं वो प्लेस.
Right.
पर लास्ट में हमें एहराम वाले पहाड़ का नाम याद आ रहा नहीं.
But no problem. इतना याद रख लेना तुम्हें. I mean, we are trying our best. We are not ulama ikram, and we are not scholars, but we are trying our best to remember and tell you what we know with our limited knowledge. May Allah forgive us if we have done if you have said something wrong, astaghfirullah. But yeah, let's continue. But so you can see here, yeah, like a shopping complex नहीं पूरा like shopping center के जैसा, जिससे मस्जिद अल हरम से exit होती है. Oh yeah. So maybe Sima, we came here on the first day. We were in our ihram. We came in the night. We actually took a direct flight, and हमें रात को midnight तवाफ करे तक ख़त्म होगा. By the time we were leaving, it was around 6 in the morning, and we were already exhausted. We came here to try out this ice cream, and my God, I should tell you, the ice cream was really good, right? And the portion size was huge. It was 10 riyal, 10 and 12 riyal. But the ice cream was really good, but it has a lot of flavor. Make sure you don't.
Suggested to go for a large size, even if there's 2 real difference.
Yeah.
Because small is too less.
Yeah, small
Large
is
is too large.
so small is too small, but large is too large. So it's extremes.
Just 2 reals difference. That's
Yeah.
not big.
Yeah. So and also mind yourself. If you're coming here and trying the ice cream, make sure you don't drop them on your clothes, because it has color in the ice cream and it will not go. It will stain your clothes. But I took something called as a Makkah mix, and it had the 4 flavors. It was really tasty. But while coming back, we can go there. Probably we can take an ice cream and I can show you. And the place that you see in front of you, that's Albek. That's the famous Albek from Saudi Arabia. But unfortunately, in this outlet, they don't have anything but a meal. So meal में क्या? They just have nuggets. तुम्हें गए थे नहीं?
Nuggets, burger and fries and coke.
बस 4 चीज़ें.
That's the meal.
Yes,
One
that's
And
combo.
yeah, that's one combo meal. And कितना वो?
Like 27.
Where's-
22, 23 or 27.
So 23, 27 रियाल. तो 1 रियाल मतलब इंडियन करेंसी में 228 रुपए. तो क्या बोलते हैं, कैसा बोलते हैं सर? 228 को 28 कैसा बोलते हैं? मैं 20 को 8 बोलते हैं. 22.
22 is 22.
अच्छा.
Point 8.
हाँ. So 28 को कैसा बोलते हैं सर?
Is 22, 24, 28.
So it's 228 in Indian currency. That's 10 रियाल. तो वहाँ पे वो आपको 20 रियाल के तो डबल कर लियो, 23 रियाल के तो डबल कर लियो. तो कितना अराउंड 500 चिल्लर होता है. हाँ, मैथ्स तुम्हारे ऊपर छोड़ डाली, तो मैं मैथ्स कर लियो. वैसे भी हमें थोड़ा वीक मैथ्स में. No, I'm good with finance, but not with conversions. It gets a little crazy with currency conversions.
The hotels where they donate food.
Oh yeah. So here, if you come here, there are these places where you can see the crowd, the people standing over here. Anybody can stand here. It's not necessarily the poor or the rich. Anybody that wants to stand here can stand here. And these are the places where people come and contribute their money, like probably 100 riyal, 50 riyal. So I'm not sure. So for that price, they're going to hand over food to people who stand in this queue. So these are the places where you can go and pay up, and they're going to hand over the food for those people who are, yeah. We'll come back. Yeah, no, I'll come back later and I will do. So यहाँ पे people can do sadaqah. That means people can come here and they can pay up around 100 riyal or 50 riyal, and depending on how much they are going to pay up. So they are going to distribute the food to the people who are standing over there. So which is good. So for those people who want to help out the community, not just need is नहीं. जो मतलब बहुत सारे हाजियाँ जो आको होती हैं उम्रा करने के वास्ते, करने के वास्ते, उनको क्या जैसे खजूर बांटनी, ऐसे करती खाना, एक मील बांटना. इट इज़ सब आप क्या सुवाब का काम, सुवाब का काम. सो दैट्स व्हाट इज़ दैट. एंड नाउ वी आर हियर, वी आर एट द प्लेस मस्जिद अल हरम. माशाअल्लाह, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. And look at the sky and the lights. It's beautiful. And inshallah, I'll take you from the main gate. I'll show you how it looks. So उधर से जाएंगे नहीं। एंड ये तो क्या बोले?
74
हाँ
79 is for Ihram people.
हाँ, तो 79 आपको एहराम लोगों, एहराम जो एहराम पहने उनके वास्ते हमें ये गेट ऐसे गए। बट अब जो व्लॉग बना रहे ना उधर से दिखा देंगे
हाँ,
मेन गेट।
yes.
मेन गेट दिखा को देन विल कम बैक फ्रॉम दिस ये वाला एंट्रेंस से आएंगे। सो यू कैन सी हियर दिस इज द एंटायर रोड जहाँ पे लोग खड़े हैं और हाँ एंड दुकानें हैं, कॉम्प्लेक्स हैं, देयर लॉट ऑफ स्टोर्स अराउंड हियर। They have ATMs here. People want to withdraw their money. यहाँ पे KFC है, मैकडोनल्ड्स है, बहुत सारे आउटलेट्स हैं, स्टारबक्स है। एंड ये जो मॉल है इसके अंदर वो जो प्लेस आपको दिख रहा है नादी बल्को, दैट्स द मेडिकल स्टोर ब्रांड ओवर हियर। जैसे हमें इंडिया में अपोलो है, जैसे मेड प्लस है, वैसा ब्रांड। और ये आपको यहाँ का एक मॉल है, इसके अंदर होटल भी है, बहुत सारे होटल हैं इसके अंदर। ऊपर देखे तो उसके अंदर भी होटल हैं, रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं एंड हाँ सब है इसके अंदर। स्पेशली ये मॉल के अंदर बहुत सारे गोल्ड के दुकानें हैं माशाल्लाह, इट्स वेरी गुड। बट दे हैव अ लिमिटेड कलेक्शन ऑफ 22 कैरेट गोल्ड, but most of the jewelry is 21 carat jewelry. And they also have a supermarket for those people who want to go up and grab something in at MRP or buy products. I mean like buy anything. And you can see there are a couple of luxury watch brands, Rolex, Rado, Hamilton, yeah. And yeah, this also has food court. And अभी तो रात का टाइम एंड फिर भी थोड़ा गर्मी है, रात है फिर भी थोड़ी बहुत गर्मी है। यू कैन सी दैट्स द फूड कोर्ट। तो यहाँ पे जो लोग ऊपर बैठे ना फर्स्ट फ्लोर में, ये फूड कोर्ट है। यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ये ही दुकान है। इंशाल्लाह मस्जिद से बाहर जाने के टाइम को जाएंगे अंदर, जाकर एक राउंड व्लॉग बनेंगे। एंड यहाँ पे बहुत सारे वॉशरूम्स हैं। यू कैन सी इस वॉशरूम नंबर 6, इस वॉशरूम नंबर 8। यहाँ सारे वॉशरूम्स के ऊपर नंबर्स डाले हैं। हाँ, यहाँ ऐसे नीचे जाना, अंडरग्राउंड वॉशरूम। मेन के अलग वॉशरूम हैं, वुमेन के अलग वॉशरूम हैं। बट कभी कभी क्या होता है, मस्जिद के अंदर जाने से पहले मेक श्योर इफ़ यू हैव टू गो टू वॉशरूम, यहाँ पे आओ, वॉशरूम का मैं अपना काम ख़त्म करो, उसके बाद वज़ू करो और उसके बाद फिर मस्जिद में एंटर करो। क्योंकि एक बार मस्जिद जाने के बाद इफ़ यू वांट टू गो टू द वॉशरूम अगेन, पूरा लंबा रास्ता वापस आना पड़ता है। तो मेक श्योर यू डू दैट। तो यू कैन सी ओवर हियर this is the main gate. And so you can see here, this is the main gate of Masjid Al Haram, and I'm sure this is only allowed for people who are wearing ihram. So those who are not wearing ihram, you can see that you are not allowed from here. And for those who are not wearing ihram, you have to go back from a different place. तो इधर थोड़ा पीछे जाएंगे, पीछे से देखेंगे। And I'm not sure if carrying an action cam is allowed, because people do take pictures from their phones. But मैं ज़्यादा लोगों को नहीं देखा नहीं एक्शन कैम जो कुछ हाथ में पड़े थे। बट द अथॉरिटी इज़ नॉट टू स्ट्रिक्ट ऑन पीपल हु आर टेकिंग फोन्स और पिक्चर्स, दे आर फाइन। बट मेक श्योर दैट तुम्हें तुम्हारा ये जो है प्रॉपर से कर ले रही पूरा इबादत। I'm just showing you around here, and you can see there's something called as STC over here. That's the क्या फ़ोन कंपनी नहीं यहाँ की, जैसे हमारे इंडिया में टेलीकॉम कंपनी, जैसे इंडिया में हमारे एयरटेल है, जियो है, या ऐसे दूसरे जो नेटवर्क्स हैं, वैसे यहाँ पे आपको थोड़े बहुत नेटवर्क्स हैं। एंड मोस्टली यू विल सी 2 मेजर नेटवर्क्स, दैट इज़ STC एंड ज़ेन नेटवर्क। मैं पहले हमें STC का सिम कार्ड लिए थे, बट हाँ दिस इज़ ऑल्सो हाँ मोबिल, क्या फुल नेम है? मोबिलिटी नहीं है, मोबिलिटी। ये भी यहाँ का एक नेटवर्क प्रोवाइडर, सब क्या इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर और व्हाट यू कॉल इट, या टेलीकॉम कंपनी। एंड हमें यहाँ ज़ेन लिए, ठीक है। तो ज़ेन के हमें प्लान सही लगे एंड हमने इंटरनेट होना था मोस्टली, बिकॉज व्हेन वी केम हियर फ्रॉम इंडिया, हमें इंडिया से इंटरनेशनल रोमिंग एक्टिवेट करा को आए थे। It was for 10 days 8,899 rupees, and here we just want internet for when we are not in the hotel room. जब हम होटल रूम में हैं भाई, हाँ तो वैसे भी वाईफाई है, बट जब होटल रूम में नहीं है उसके पास इंटरनेट होता. सो वी गॉट ए प्लान फॉर 80 रियाल, दैट इज़ 25 GB of data, which is good, and we negotiated down to 75, which is good because they can give you a good price. So we are inside Masjid Al Haram, and cold. Seema is going to get some Zamzam. Me and Moin are sitting here in the masjid area. So it's usually not advised to have your recordings or video, your photography devices inside the haram. So to respect the Kaaba Sharif and to respect the code of the religion, out of respect, I would advise everybody also to not use their video recorders and everything inside near the Tawaf area. So I am here shooting the video in the Haram area, and this is the beautiful Masjid Al Haram, and we are sitting here. We'll sit here for some time. We'll be doing some zikr. उसके बाद we will do some नफिल नमाज, थोड़े नफिल नमाज हम पढ़ेंगे, and उसके बाद फिर से बाहर जाएंगे, and I will show you when we go out. And I don't want to go inside and make video near the Tawaf area, and Seema is bringing Zamzam from there because वहाँ पे सब जगह रखें Zamzam के पानी के कैंस रखें सब जगह. तो थोड़े इसमें ठंडा था, थोड़े इसमें गर्म था. जिसे गर्म नहीं पसंद वो ठंडा ले सकते हैं, जिसे ठंडा नहीं पसंद नो वार्म नॉर्मल रूम टेम्परेचर होता. थैंक यू सीमा. तो हाँ, जैसे मैं बोलिया कि बहुत सारे लोग जो हैं ऑलरेडी तवाफ़ के बारे में या कैसे उम्रा करना उसके बारे में वीडियोस बना को हैं. सो आई विल नॉट गो इन डेप्थ on those videos because yes, I'm not a scholar. I am doing what I know and how much I know. I did my umrah with whatever I knew and how much ever I learned. So I'm not a scholar. I'm not an expert who can give the expert advice. So I won't be doing that. But there are people who have put that information on YouTube. So you can please watch those. But this is just a regular vlog, and you can see Masjid Al Haram. It's beautiful. And for those people who are thinking if women are allowed in the same praying area where men are, when it's non-namaz hours, women can sit here, and when it's actually the namaz times, the women and men have to separate, and women go to a different section and men stay in a different section. But now because it's around कितना time अब बोले सर? Because now the time is around 12 in the morning, 12 a.m. The masjid is a little bit free, and people with their families can actually sit together, so that's not a problem. So you can see Seema is sitting here, I am also sitting here, you can see Moin is sitting here, we are here, and yeah, let's do some zikr. And when I'm going back, when I'm heading outside, I will show you around the mall and Kanjinge.
Also you can visit the Clock Tower Mall also.
क्लॉक टावर पे सबसे ऊपर एक म्यूजियम है.
The museum is closed now.
अब क्लोज है, बट म्यूजियम है.
Museum.
तो म्यूजियम में ऊपर गए तो तुमने 360 व्यू.
of Prophet Muhammad. You can also know the
हाँ.
biography of him. And
और वो मैं इंटरनेट पे खोल को प्रयास क्या करता हूँ, ये एक पूरा क्या ये है 360 व्यू मिलता है वहाँ से.
Yes.
You can see the complete Makkah
yes,
city.
which has got the Guinness Book of World Record, the main masjid,
yeah.
but it's not allowed now. It's closed for some
हाँ.
part. So you can just visit the malls over there, and that's it.
अब ऊपर क्लोज की
Yes, it's closed.
म्यूजियम नहीं खुला.
There are masjid, there are special masjids which can be seen. We can see the Kaaba's
View.
walls and all, but not the Kaaba. We can.
नहीं दिखता है ऊपर, सबसे ऊपर गए तो म्यूजियम में
हाँ,
ऐसे
museum
काबा
में
का व्यू
मिलता
है.
हाँ,
एंड
museum
वहाँ
में
कौन तो भी जाना का तो आई थिंक इट इज़ 115 रियाल फॉर रेगुलर एंट्री, एंड फॉर वीआईपी एंट्री मतलब क्यों नहीं होता बस होता अच्छा. सो क्यों नहीं होना के तो 150 रियाल, तो 100 रियाल मतलब 2200 रुपये, 2230 ऐसे कुछ मान लो. एंड 1020 का तो तुम्हें कैलकुलेट कर लो, यू डू द कैलकुलेशंस, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गेट इनटू दैट पार्ट अगेन. So yeah, that is it. And I such I'll hand over the camera to Moin. Moin क्या करते हैं, he'll just walk around the masjid a little bit, and I such he will shoot a video. But so क्या जमजम खड़को पीना बोलते हैं, खड़को पीना बोलते हैं. Yes, we are facing towards Kabatullah Sharif, and we will stand up and drink. And now so we have just come out of Masjid al-Haram. Alhamdulillah, we came out from Hajjiyad Gate. So that's what I said. That's the street we were in last time. Alhamdulillah, जितना हो सके उतनी हमारी इबादत हो गई. अल्लाह हमारी इबादत को कबूल कर ले, आमीन. एंड चलो अभी देखते हैं